In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and checking if you have microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If you don't worry, just click on gear icon here. Then tap on voice typing section and use this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When it's blue, you can go back and click on now visible microphone. If you never used it before, hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. Now my favorite option. Click on the microphone icon and then tiny icon on the left of it. This one. Now you can use voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To access some available options, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, hit keyboard icon. But most people miss that you can actually hold this toolbar, move it around, and drag it whenever you want to. Then go back the same way as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!